Okay, so continuing, if we look at the one in the App Store, they've got duration and then distance as well. So we're just going to keep it at kilometers, I think. And so let's kind of make one of these as well, shall we? Let's come back over and let's move our, let's put another stack view in here. Down here, be fine. And we'll make it the same width, equal width. And we'll do that as well. Need to close the door. It's better. Height, it needs a height. That probably will make it a little bit, what's it like, height of say 150, probably be enough. Yeah. And then we want to have, I could say probably another stack view inside of it. Here. We'll do 2 stack views. And fill equally. Yeah. And these can then have 2 labels. And we don't want to fill in equally, but we want it to be fill proportionally, equal spacing. No. Let's just fill. We'll sort it out later. I'm not a big fan on stack views, but in this situation, I think I can do it better without stack view actually. Yeah, I'm pretty certain I can do it better without stack view. So I'm just going to put a normal UI view in there. Actually, I don't even need that. I can put the 2 labels in it just how it is. And I can do this with constraints easily. Oh dear. No, we've got the, okay. Now we do want the 2 views, that's correct. But the 2 labels come in here. And this one, they're both gonna be in the center. And this one, yeah, this one is going to be centered as well, like this. And this one is going to sit above it. Yeah, this works. Like that. So update this. And this one also is going to be centered in the middle. Yes. And we can then update this to like 30. Oh look, this one's down the bottom. Let's change the text of, what's this one going to be? Duration. So what do they have? 737. Like this. And we want it, come on, bold, heavy. Yes. Maybe 60 here. We'll do 50. Alright. So this one is bottom space. Duration, do that, and what did it have? Top space. Need to fix this. It's better. Okay, and then align. Which one do we want? This one. Yeah. I'll say -30. Oh no, wrong one. This one. -30, -10. Yeah, that's looking good. And we make this text a bit bigger. Yeah, it's looking good. So now we have that. Let's nudge this map. Let's take the bottom of the map, align to safe area, no, and let's make it align to this one. Like that. And let's run this again to see how it looks. See how this one looks first of all. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's looking good. The map's not quite doing what I wanted here. The map holder is not doing anything that I wanted, actually. Come to think of it. Bottom space to stack view, yes. To this one. Okay, let's maybe the map's overflowing. Maybe that's what it is. I don't think so. Ah, look at it there. Look, that's why. That's why. Okay, but that helped. That helped, but this was the problem here. That we gave the map view the bounds of the main view itself. But both changes still helped. So we can run this now, and it comes here. It's fine. Okay, so now we need to be able to get the total amount of duration that it's been going. Now we are in control of the start button, right? So we can create a start date, start time, and this is going to be a time interval and end time. I believe. So once the start, when we get the start action, and we get a first location, right? Only when we get our first location, because it's unfair otherwise. Then we want start time equal to dates time interval since that there. Okay, and when the stop button's pressed, stop button action, stop. What do I just call it? What did I call it? End time, of course. Okay, so every single time I have to research how I'm going to best do this with a interval. So let's say Swift interval timer. Timers in Swift how to. I've never really done a timer before. Timer interval self. Okay. That seems fine. So we'll say timer schedule timer with interval 1 second repeats timer. So let's do that, shall we? So as long as we've got and let's yeah, and I'm guessing that if we do this here, guard self dot timer is equal to nil. No. No, that's not what we want. We want to say self dot timer equals maybe what's this then? Okay, fine. Don't know how else you're going to be able to do it, but we'll just say with iOS 10 for now. So when the end time is set, then when the end time is set and it's not nil, then we want to say timer invalidates, stops the time from ever firing again, requests its removal from run loop. That seems pretty cool. And I'm guessing that we can probably remove it then. What's this? Calls the time message to sent to the target. Yep, and we can remove it. We shall see, huh? Let's run this, see whether that works, because we did actually set the time. I have no idea whether this is going to work or not. Okay, so it looks like the timer is getting called. So good. So let's now set this to, we now need this time here. So the time label, whoops. Yeah. Okay, I'm kind of guessing that this is going to be on the main loop, but we need the date formatter. In seconds, okay. We need some form of time, so okay. Yeah. I'm going to have to change this, but time since night minus start time. There's probably a far easier way of doing this. And so we're literally just going to say this is the amount of seconds that it's been running. Time label, text, and so on. What does a timer actually have in it? Does it have any information? Guess not. Okay, that's fine. Stupid. Okay. So at least we're going to get an interval, and I need to research how you turn. Yeah. So start it. Okay. And it's in milliseconds, so we need to. They are in. Let's see what it is. Okay. Yeah, good. We just need to round it. And Swift math dots floor. Whoops. Yeah, we just need to use round. Possibly to the nearest 0, and then we need to turn it to an integer as well. Yeah, so we round it down and then we'll turn it to an integer. Should be exactly the same thing. Okay, there we go. So now we've got the duration. We're going to have to find some way of putting that obviously in a timer. Yeah. I have to do some research whether or not we need to use custom code or whether there's something we can do with the date time formatter or something. I've never done it before actually. It's like a stopwatch type thing, but I'll research it between the next video. So okay, that's all well and good for now. At least we get how many seconds that has gone by. We can convert it to minutes anyway. I mean, it's not that difficult to do. It's just a little bit of mathematics, and you've got how many hours and how many minutes and how many seconds. So anyway, I'll move on to the next video.